Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Avalon, 1995 to 1999? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Avalon 1995 to 1999, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits including the SRS airbag system, seat heater, turn signals and hazard lights, cruise control, ABS, power door locks, and interior lighting. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Avalon 1995 to 1999 protects key circuits like the EFI/fuel injection system, charging system alternator, starter, horn, and headlamp low and high beam circuits. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.